What's going on? It's Solieka here, and I made this video, I think a day or two ago. I'm just going to play this quick little intro, and then we're going to get into the body-worn cameras and everything else, because I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to talk about it.
Crime and safety analyst Ken Jefferson joining me here. Ken, you watch this video as somebody with a lot of law enforcement experience. What's the first thing that goes through your head when you see it?
I have a lot of questions about this. The probable cause that the officer is saying that the reason why they stopped him, in my opinion, does not jive, because it does not jive with what the law says about driving with headlights on in the daylight. That's the first question. The second question is, the person was not aggressive towards the officers. He was non-compliant when he wouldn't get out of the vehicle. Why did the officer punch him once he punched the window out? What was that punch for? He wasn't trying to fight anybody or try to get away or any of that. So I've got a lot of questions about this particular stop.
Are you tired of government overreach and eroded freedoms? At tac-us.org, we're fighting back. We're the Transparency Accountability Coalition, a non-profit defending your constitutional rights. No partisanship, just principle. From protecting free speech to demanding transparency, we're here for you. Visit tac-us.org to learn more and join the movement. tac-us.org, because your rights deserve a voice. Act now.
So, Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, after this video came out, they did their investigation, or I don't even know if it's an investigation, but they released the body cams, and their chief, he made a statement, and I'm going to get into the chief's statement first, and then we're going to do a compare and contrast of what actually happened. So, I'm just going to play a few clips of what was said from the chief, and then we'll hop directly into the body cam. So, don't forget, auditpalooza2025@gmail.com. Email me if you are interested. I've got, I think, like 25 people to call today. So just expect a phone call. Leave your phone number in the email to auditpalooza2025. Leave your phone number. That way I can call you directly. You'll get a phone call at some point, probably today. And then we'll go from there and get you signed up. And hopefully that you can make it. And if you can make it, it's even better, because this is going to be an awesome event. So let's hop into the chief, and then we'll get into the body cams.
Jacksonville Sheriff's Office is releasing information regarding the circumstances of William Anthony McNeil Jr.'s arrest on February 19th of 2025. The agency immediately began both a criminal and administrative review of the officer's actions. These administrative reviews are ongoing, but the State Attorney's Office has determined that none of the involved officers violated criminal law.
And we're going to talk about that criminal law. But as of right now, you're hearing what's going on. I got 2 more clips that we're going to plug in here, and then we're going to get into the body cams.
In this case, the cell phone camera footage that began viral circulation over the weekend does not comprehensively capture the circumstances surrounding this incident. One piece of evidence considered in a vacuum without any context can lead to skewed conclusions. When incomplete cell phone camera footage becomes the basis on which public opinion turns, the results can be equally faulty. After this traffic stop on February 19, 2025, McNeil was arrested for resisting a police officer without violence, driving on a suspended driver's license, and possession of less than 20 grams of marijuana. On February 20, 2025, McNeil pled guilty to and was adjudicated guilty of resisting a police officer without violence and driving on a suspended driver's license. Those pleas of guilty were accepted by a local judge who found them to have been factual basis and to have been voluntarily made by McNeil. As you'll see in short order, the body-worn camera footage does not capture Officer Bauer's response to resistance when McNeil was seated in the driver's seat.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely there's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. 2 things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight.
3,
I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
35. I'm proper driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
Like I said, Pennsylvania versus Mims. If the cops tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car. I don't agree with it. It's not something that I'm like, yay. No. It's just something that the courts have deemed, and hopefully that can get overturned like Terry v. Ohio. But until that day comes, if they tell you to get out of the car, get out of the car. I don't agree with it, so don't think I do. I'm just saying. That's the premise of why this is about to go south really quick.
2570 for 9-4. The driver just slammed the door and locked it. Yep. 2570. If anybody responding, come in from Commonwealth, block the vehicle, please.
I'm coming west on Commonwealth. I'll be there in a second.
Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. My camera's on too. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. No, he's under arrest. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out? I will. Can you step out? You're being done. There's a time stop being conducted to requirement. So,
Vehicle's locked in.
yes.
He's locked it up. Put the window down.
Correct.
I tried to talk to
Huh? Okay. So what did he ask for when he, I guess, taught you? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's still a legitimate reason to pull somebody over. It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on. Huh? Yeah, when you step out of the car, I will.
Hey, I'm about to break the window. Huh? I'm about to break the window.
All right, go for it.
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands!
Reason, sir. What is your reason? Step out now.
Put your hands back! Hands behind your back!
What's wrong with you?
What you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
fucking 2%, bro. I was doing, bro. What's going on, man?
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No, bro.
Yes, bro. Yes.
No reason, bro. You gonna throw my phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off
now,
you,
man.
bro.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
You just gotta see you want to tell me. Yeah, I'm already.
So your partner didn't even.
Now, wrapping up this video, there's more to this. If you want to see the full everything, go over to JSO's Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. They have it up on their website or on their YouTube page. You can go watch it there. My problem is that, yes, did this gentleman not getting out of the car possibly escalated this? Sure. That is I guess so. The problem I have with it, what they're saying is, oh, we were allowed to use our fist and basically beat this guy to get him out of the car. Him resisting of not getting out of the car, I don't believe had to escalate to this amount of violence put on this man. I don't know all the ins and outs of it. I just know that there were mistakes made on both parts. Both parties made the mistake. I don't think the violence that the police put on this gentleman was justified. You know, and this is just me. This is my opinion. Leave your comment down below on what you feel. And then second, the gentleman, I get that you were trying to stand on business. You know, I get it. It might not have been raining, but from the video, and if you actually look at the video, pause it, zoom in when you're looking at some of the windows that you're going to see, and it definitely looks like it had been raining, or it, you know, I don't know. I wasn't there, don't know the day. I'm just saying there were droplets on this car. So it's very feasible. I don't know. But I still, once again, he got pulled over for the lights. He was riding on suspended license, which however you want to take that. And then he had less than 20 grams of weed, and that's justification. So I don't know. Me personally, I think it was a little bit much. You know, breaking the window to get him out, extract him out of the car is one thing, but I think it wasn't just the punches or the punch when he was in the car. Rewind the video, and down you'll actually see the police officer hitting him while he's on the ground, and they're just, you know, dogpiling on him. So, you know, like they said, when they investigate themselves, they don't find any wrongdoing. Because they said, hey, I guess we're allowed to use as much excessive force, like punching people when they're not fighting you back. But whatever. Don't forget, Audit Palooza 2025. Hope to see a lot of you there. Links are in the description. And I will see you on the next one. Soliaker, deuces.